Ito po ay tokwa. Tokwa. Okay. And 1/4 duck sauce. Wine, 1 tablespoon. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. White pepper, 1/4, and sugar, half teaspoon, and flour. This is corn flour. Ito po ay tokwa. Okay? Mas supposed to be is chicken. Okay? I-marinate po natin. Kaya, mas supposed to be this one is chicken. At magluluto po tayo ng klepo sa rice cooker. Okay? Yung 2 cup of rice. 2 cup rice. Water also 2 cup. Hugasan po natin. Hinugasan na po natin. May tubig na. Ito po ay chicken cubes. Durugin po natin. Kalahati lang po ng chicken cubes. Okay. Tapos, i-on na po natin sa rice cooker. Ayan. I-on po natin ang rice cooker. Ayan, nakauna po siya. Ito po natin. Antayin po natin na luto. Tapos, ito po yung carrots. Tsaka, lechon, wali po. Chinese sausage. Ito ang tokwa. Mas supposed to be is chicken. And then carrot. Ay, potato. Okay. Tayo. Antayin na lang po natin sa maluto. Now, boy, ready. I put now this one. The carrot. Sausage. The potato. Then the garlic and onion. Then we put 5 tablespoon. Sige. Natin itong sabaw nitong Okay, and cover it. Continuous cooking.